टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल रितिका's ब्राइट कॉर्नर। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं रेशनल नंबर्स अबाउट मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन। इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था अबाउट एडिशन एंड उसके जैसा ही सिमिलर होता है सब्सट्रैक्शन जो होता है क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड एलसीएम के द्वारा। Now we are going to find out some tricks and tips to find out about multiplication and division. So let's start the video with the topic of multiplication of rational numbers. Yes, so what do you think how to do multiplication? For example, if you get any number like 5 upon 7 into 7 upon 8 and if you want to multiply it, how would you do it? So first of all, you have to write denominator into denominator and then the numerator into numerator. Yes, so 5 and 5 are numerator and 7 and 8 are denominator. So answer comes like 25 upon 56. So can it be reduced? No, this could not be reduced and this would be only the final answer. Yes, now let's have once again another example like 50 upon 60. Yes, if you are going to do 50 upon 60 into 20 upon 30, so what would be the answer here? It is very simple. If you simply multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, like 50 into 20 is numerator and 60 into 30 is denominator. So if you are going to complete this, the answer would be 50 into 20 equals to 100, and in denominator you are going to find out about 60 into 30. The answer would be 180, that is 6 into 3. Yes, simple. So can it be reduced now? ओके पिछले क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास रिड्यूस करने के लिए कुछ नहीं था. कैन इट बी रिड्यूस्ड नाउ? Yes, it could be reduced now by it will be easily reduced by 2 and it could be reduced by 50. 2 divided 100 is 50 and 2 divided 180 is 90. Yes, so 2 divided 180 is 90. So you got 50 upon 90. Yes, so now can it be once again reduced? So reducing process has unlimited times. Okay, so you can reduce any number unlimited. So if you want to reduce 50 upon 90 until it gets prime numbers, you are going to reduce this by 10. Yes, very simple. So if it divided by 10, it answers like 5 upon 9. Yes, we cut out the zeros. And now 5 upon 9 are the prime numbers. So this is our final answer. Okay. Now let's have one other example. The next example would be different from each other now. The example are like 1 into 3 upon 9. So if you want to multiply it, what would be the answer? Very easy question it is. अगर आप एडिशन करते हो then what you do, simply आप 1 वापस नीचे लगा देते हो. Yes, तो वैसे ही आप डिनोमिनेटर में 1 मल्टीप्लिकेशन में भी लगा दोगे and you will get the answer like simply how like you do in normal multiplication 3 upon 9 and it could be reduced by 3 as 1 upon 3. So अगर 1 upon 3 है तो फिर 1 को हम कट कर देंगे and the final answer would be only 3. Yes, so the final answer is 3. Let's have now completed the multiplication. Now we are going to discuss about division. How to do division of rational numbers. I have the best trick to complete this division very easily. ओके तो अगर हमें डिवीजन करना है तो फिर हमारे पास ये ट्रिक करने से हम इसे नॉर्मली और बहुत इजीली मल्टीप्लिकेशन से ही कर सकते हैं. So let's have an example to consider about this trick. Like 5 upon 9 divided 1 upon 3. So if we're going to divide this, what would be the answer? First of all, you are going to do the reciprocal of 1/3. Yes, आप 1/3 को उल्टा कर दीजिए, यानी कि जो न्यूमरेटर है उसे डिनोमिनेटर बना दीजिए और डिनोमिनेटर जो है उसे न्यूमरेटर. सो द आंसर वुड बी 3/1 एज 1/3. तो अगर आप इसे सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, 5/9 को नॉर्मली हम वैसे ही ले लेंगे एंड डिवाइड को हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर देंगे आगे, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट अबाउट 3/1. सो सिंपली हमारा आंसर बहुत सिंपली आ गया और हम इसे कर देंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो अभी तक हम करते आ रहे थे, दैट इज 15/9. Can it be reduced by 3? Yes, the answer would be 3 divided 15 is 5 and divided by 9 is 3. So you would get the answer like 5/3. This is once again a prime number, so you cannot reduce it, and this is only the final answer. Now let's have one more example. Example like any number as big number, you will get 6/5 divided 3/5. Okay, once again you have denominator same. Yes, अभी आपके पास denominator एकदम same है. So what we are going to do is simply we are going to repeat the whole method once again easily. हम 3/5 को रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे, 6/5 का 6/5 सेम रहेगा, डिविजन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा एंड द रिड्यूसिंग इज 5/3. सो द आंसर वुड बी 6 5s are 30 and 5 3s are 15. If you can reduce it, the answer would be divided by 5 equals to 6/3. Yes, divided by 6 equals to 30 and 15. So अगर आप इसे भी रिड्यूस करो तो 3 से 2s are 1 आता है, 2s आता है. So the final answer is 2. Yes, the final answer is 2. अब हमारे पास 1/2 बचा तो हम डायरेक्टली आंसर को क्या करेंगे, 2 ही कर देंगे. Yes. Now अगर हमें one more example चाहिए, one more example you can take like 5 divided 6/3. इसमें बहुत से बच्चों को कन्फ्यूजन होता है, तो हम सिंपली इसे क्या करेंगे, हमेशा की तरह जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका 1 डाल देंगे एंड द डिनोमिनेटर वुड बी 1. Here now what you are going to do, the same process you are going to repeat is once again you are going to reciprocal of 6/3, that is 3/6 and 5/1 का 5/1 only, division का multiplication and 3/6 as reciprocal number. And if you are going to multiply this, 5/3 equals to 15 and 6 ones are 6. So 15/6 could be divided by 3 and that is 5/3. Yes, that is 5/3. If you're going to divide is by 3, so 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. So the final answer is 5/2. Why? Because 5 is the prime number here. अगर डिनोमिनेटर या न्यूमरेटर में से कोई भी एक प्राइम नंबर निकलता है तो वो हमारा फाइनल आंसर होता है. सो फ्रेंड्स, जिसकी देरी थी वो आ चुकी है. दिस इज द टेस्ट टाइम. टेस्ट टाइम में आप इजीली आंसर्स करने वाले हो. इनको थोड़े से बड़े नंबर्स आओ लाइक 15/16, 7 into 17/18. बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, आपको वही सेम प्रोसेस यूज करना है और इसका आंसर निकालना है. Nextly, you are going to find out about 16/5 into 6/7. You should pause your video and find out the answers very finely and comment it. Okay, so you should answer this and you have time for 20 seconds to complete this. Yes, you should find out about have 20 seconds. Hurry up and fast. Okay, so your time up. Yes, hope you have answered the whole questions and you have not any doubt now, you should go with the test to division. And in division you have once again two question with 20-second time. 68 upon 2 divided 5 upon 4. So if you're going to divide this, what would be the answer? And nicely like that, two second question is 48 upon 54. Okay, so if you're going to find out about this, 48 upon 54 divided 9 upon 15, what would be the answer? Let's find out it very fast and comment it fastly. अगर आप इसको कमेंट करते हैं जल्दी से, then you will get your answer very good. And come on, hurry up fast. You have once again 20 seconds to complete this for your mental maths. So friends, your time is up, 20 seconds is up, and you should answer is very fast. Congrats, you have completed all your tests and you have also found out about multiplication and division of rational numbers. So इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में मैंने आपको रेशनल नंबर्स के बारे में भी बताया था. अगर आपने सारे आंसर्स कंप्लीट कर लिए तो गिव योरसेल्फ एज 5 upon 5 is good. Thank you very much. Thank you. Subscribe, share.